Find the order of the continuity equation for steady two-dimensional flow. A1, B0, C2, D3. The correct answer is 1. The y momentum equation falls into which of these types of PDEs? A1D first-order equation, B2D second-order equation, C2D first-order equation, D1D first-order equation. The correct answer is 2D second-order equation. These are essential for solving partial differential equations. A. Boundary conditions. B. Physical principle. C. Mathematical model. D. Algebraic equations. The correct answer is boundary conditions. Linear partial differential equations are reduced to ordinary differential equations in which of these methods? A. Change of variables. B. Fundamental equations. C. Superposition principle. D. Separation of variables. The correct answer is separation of variables. Which of these is not an analytical method to solve partial differential equations? A. Change of variables. B. Superposition principle. C. Finite element method. D. Integral transform. The correct answer is finite element method. After discretizing the partial differential equations, take which if these forms? A. Exponential equations. B. Trigonometric equations. C. Logarithmic equations. D. Algebraic equations. The correct answer is algebraic equations. Which of these models of fluid flow give complete partial differential equations directly? A. Finite control volume moving along with the flow. B. Finite control volume fixed in space. C. Infinitesimally small fluid element fixed in space. D. Infinitesimally small fluid moving along with the flow. The correct answer is infinitesimally small fluid element fixed in space. Which of these does not come under partial differential equations? A. Laplace's equation. B. Equations of motion. C. 1D wave equation. D. Heat equation. The correct answer is equations of motion. The governing equations of CFD are partial differential equations. A. Linear. B. Quasi-linear. C. Non-linear. D. Non-homogeneous. The correct answer is quasi-linear. Where do we encounter partial differential equations in CFD? A. Physical models. B. Assumptions. C. Governing equations. D. Discretized equations. The correct answer is governing equations. What is the method used in CFD to solve partial differential equations? A. Variable separation. B. Method of characteristics. C. Change of variables. D. Discretization. The correct answer is discretization.